Are you wondering if YouTube TV ever freezes during use? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain what might cause freezing and how to fix it. If you've experienced interruptions while streaming, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV can freeze, but it's usually not the service itself. It's often caused by external factors like a slow or unstable internet connection. Streaming live TV requires a minimum speed of 13 megabits per second for HD content, and anything less can lead to buffering or freezing. Other culprits include network congestion, outdated apps, or device performance issues. To fix this, try switching to a wired connection, restarting your router, or closing background apps that consume bandwidth. Clearing the app cache or updating the app can also help resolve glitches. If the issue persists, check YouTube TV's service status for outages. If this video helped you understand why YouTube TV freezes and how to fix it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.